In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Bookmark Bar in Firefox. By the end, you will have your favorite sites one click away, right under the address bar. Start by opening Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look near the top right corner of the window. You will see the menu button, shown as 3 horizontal lines. Move your mouse to that button and click it. When you click, a drop-down menu appears, covering part of the top right area of the browser. From here, look through the menu and find the option called More Tools. Hover over More Tools, then click Customize Toolbar when it appears. Firefox now switches to the Customize view. You will see your current toolbar at the top and a grid of icons and options below it. This screen controls what appears around the address bar. At the bottom of this Customize window, move your eyes to the lower edge and find the Toolbars button. Click Toolbars. A small menu opens, showing different toolbar choices you can enable or hide. In that small menu, find the entry named Bookmarks Toolbar. Click Bookmarks Toolbar so it becomes highlighted. Once you do that, a second menu appears beside it, giving you 3 behavior options. If you do not see the second menu, make sure you actually clicked on Bookmarks Toolbar, not just hovered over it. Now choose how you want the Bookmarks Toolbar to appear. If you click Always Show, the bar will be visible on every page you visit. If you pick Only Show on New Tab, the bar will appear only on the blank New Tab page. If you choose Never Show, Firefox hides the bar completely. Beginners usually prefer Always Show since it keeps bookmarks visible all the time. Once you have made your choice, click the Done button in the lower right corner of the Customize window. Firefox returns to your normal browsing view. If you chose Always Show or Only Show on New Tab, you will now see a horizontal bookmark strip just below the address bar. Next up, you can also toggle the Bookmarks toolbar using the keyboard. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl, Shift and B together. On a Mac keyboard, use Command, Shift and B instead. Each time you press this shortcut, Firefox turns the toolbar on or off immediately without any extra prompt. Another quick way is from the toolbar area itself. Move your mouse to an empty space on the tab bar or main toolbar, away from any buttons. Right-click in that blank area. A context menu opens right where you clicked. In that menu, move to Bookmarks Toolbar and click it. Then choose either Always Show, Only Show on New Tab, or Never Show. Your choice applies straight away, and you will see the toolbar appear, change, or disappear right under the address bar. If your Bookmarks toolbar is showing but looks empty, your bookmarks might be in a different folder. Press Ctrl, Shift, and O to open the Bookmarks library. A separate window appears, showing your bookmark folders on the left and individual bookmarks on the right. In the folder list, click Bookmarks Toolbar and check if anything is listed. If your bookmarks are instead under Other Bookmarks or another folder, drag them into the Bookmarks Toolbar folder. As soon as you drop them there, they will show up on the toolbar in the main Firefox window. You have now enabled the Firefox Bookmarks toolbar and placed your favorite sites where you can reach them instantly. So if this helped you get your bookmarks visible again, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick Firefox tips.